Welcome back, Forrest Knight out at Media Dude Marketing, also known as the Media Dude on Facebook and Twitter, out here in St. Louis. Welcome back to another edition of the ILNBlogWorx. Yep, we got some music going on. Like I always say, we want to get it started in here. So let's go ahead and get this started. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is we're going to show you 3 different ways to add video to your blog posts in 3 different locations. They're very, very easy, so we're going to run through these very, very quickly here. Take a look at those, and you can use them any way you want to. So let's get this started. First of all, like I said, there are 3 different ways that you can add video into your blog post. One is you can use a video URL, like a YouTube URL. You can use an embed code from a video to put it either into our embed code box and or directly into the post. And then, of course, you can use a custom video embed code, and I'm going to show you how to do all that. Then all at the very end, I'm going to show you how to add it into a custom blog, one of our ILN custom blogs, to entirely encapsulate and create a lead capture page with it at the very end. So this is going to be some very exciting stuff. You're going to dig this. So let's get this moving. So like I said, first of all, we want to show you how to add video into a blog post. The first way is to use the YouTube URL, and this is very, very simple. So first of all, we've got to go grab a YouTube video. So we're going to grab this one. We're going to come down here. We're going to copy the link that's here. So you simply go to About, then Share on any YouTube video that you want. It can be yours or somebody else. We recommend one that you did. The biggest challenge with using YouTube videos, and you'll figure this out when you start playing with these, is that at the end of most YouTube videos, you're going to have sort of the competition might be out there. So we're just going to show you how to do this. You can decide how you want to do it, and we'll talk about the advantages of using a custom player at the end versus using a generic YouTube video in your post. You're going to copy the link here and come back to the post, and you'll notice you have a visual tab and a text tab. You'll need to switch over to the text tab, the URL. We're going to come back to the post, and we're going to Control V, and you want to make sure that you're on the text tab over here, not the visual tab. It's going to look the same. It'll look the same, but you need to post it in here. And when you put the URL, the YouTube URL in here, you need to make sure it's on its own individual line. It can't have anything out here to the left of it. It can't have anything before it. It needs to be on its own individual line. And you can put that on this page anywhere you want to. So you can put text above it, you could put images below it, you could put it in the middle, right at the top, however you want it. You can put it right in this page. Of course, you're going to come over, you're going to hit your save your draft, and then what it's going to look like when you're all done, it'll look like this when you're all done. So as you can see, I put it right below line 1. Use a YouTube URL in this area here. So that's the first way that you can do this. The next way that you can add, of course, is to add the embed code into the embed box in your blog. So this is the number 2 way. Your embed box, as you scroll down, you're going to see, you're going to go past the SEO Yoast. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to see this general settings tab down in here. Your embed code, you're going to paste right in here. So we go over to wherever you're going to get your embed code from. You can get your embed code either from your YouTube channel. You can do share, and then you click on embed, and you grab this embed code here, or you can go grab a custom video player embed code. You copy it, you come back to the post in this area, and you're just going to paste it right in here. And when you do that, of course, you've got to go up and save, and you can choose what kind of format you want to. Once you post it in here, you're going to paste it into this embed code area. It says embed code. You're going to paste it right in there. Nothing else can go in that box, just that video. Now, this is a little bit different. It's a little bit unique, and it's going to look like this. Now, this is a little bit different setup in your blog. You're going to notice that your actual header on your blog starts here. Then this is your title here, how to add video. It is actually above your actual blog post. So down in this area, you could do just strictly text and have your actual video right at the very, very top of the post up in this area. So this is a little bit different way that you can add in by using that embed code. It's going to push everything right to the top, and then all of your text and the meat of your blog post would be below that. So again, that's an option. You can play with it. You can't put any text up above this or below it in that embed box. And like I said before, the only thing that you can put in the embed box down here is just the code from the video. So that's number 2. Now moving over to number 3. Number 3 is more of a traditional type kind of blog post. You want to add the video actually into your post content somewhere down the page. You can use an embed code to do that. And like I said before, you can also use the YouTube URL. So we showed you this one in the first example, we showed you how to embed code using the embed box, and this is one that's going to show you how to embed the code basically somewhere down in the post. So this one's actually very easy. Again, this is your visual tab. Here you can see adding the embed code to the post area. There are 3 ways you can add, and we're actually going to put it down in here. You'll notice that because I added the code, that's where my video is showing up here, and I've got me a cool little feature set up here that tells me to be responsive, so it automatically, and this is my custom player that fits in here. So I'm going to come to my text tab again like I did before. I want to make sure that I don't have anything in this area, and I'll just do a little return down here so you can see this a little bit better. And I just pasted my code in here, and of course again I could put more text down in this area down here if I want to. I can put more text. I'm going to come up and I hit save draft, and this is what this would look like, of course, and the reason. So that's how you embed video, and you can see, of course, this is a custom player underneath. Now, like I said before, if you want to, ILN also has custom blogs that you can go into, and they're a little bit more robust. In a custom blog, I can take that exact same video and I can set up a feature that's actually really, really cool. And you notice this takes up my entire blog area, which is really, really neat here. It completely stretches it out to the edges. You'll see I still have my custom opt-in banner up here. I have my video up here, and of course this is my Media Dude Marketing custom blog that has quite a few more robust features. And the way you do that on a custom blog works the same way. You've got your visual tab, you've got your text tab where you paste in your text that you want to, but the difference is to change the format on this, you're going to come over to the side of templates, and you have a template option here, and you can choose business, and when you choose the business template, it actually turns this page into more of a lead capture format. So absolutely very, very cool feature in the custom blogs that you can work on. This is Forrest, also known as the Media Dude over at Media Dude Marketing. Be true to you and do what you do. See you on the next edition of the ILNBlogWorx.